Hello guys! Try natin sagutan itong ating CSE review for today. What is the area of the square of side 8 cm? So, ang ating review for today is all about area ng square. So, sa pag-solve ng area ng square or sa pagkuha ng area ng square, meron lamang tayong tatandaan na formula. And ang formula to find the area of square is side times side or pwedeng side square. So given naman dito, sinabi, ang side ng ating square is 8 cm. So by that, isa-substitute lang natin yung 8 cm sa ating formula na s squared. 8 cm and then square. Okay? So ngayon, itong square, madidistribute dito sa 8 and dito sa centimeter. So unahin na natin dito sa 8. What is 8 square or 8 times 8? So 8 times 8 is equals to 64. And then, yung 2 naman, kapag na-distribute dito sa cm, magiging cm squared na siya. So we have cm squared. So ang ating sagot for this problem is 64 cm squared, which is equals to, or letter B, rather. Yan. So for our next question, kindly comment down your answers sa ating chat box and let's see if naintindihan nyo yung ating review for today. And that's it for our review for today. I hope may natutunan kayo and maraming salamat sa panonood.